What is up, you guys, and welcome back to yet another video here on my channel, darling. Yes, I'm feeling this makeup look. This is so freaking pretty. I'm obsessed, y'all. I am so obsessed with this look, guys. This look, y'all. I achieved this look using BH Cosmetic products, y'all. I forgot how freaking pigmented BH Cosmetics eyeshadows was. Like, y'all, I am so surprised. I'm so surprised. I am shocked. Just look at the result. This is crazy, crazy pigmented. It is such an affordable brand, y'all. But I achieved this using, of course, the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, as well as the Club Tropicana palette. This is the 28 color foiled eyeshadow palette, and y'all, ooh, these two together is pure fire, y'all. Pure fire, and I'm so excited. So I'm just not gonna talk no more. I'm not gonna talk no more. That's what y'all want. So I'm just gonna continue with this video. But before we get into this look, please go follow me on my Instagram. It is at tswanks, and I will have it right here on the screen for you guys. And that's it. Let's get into this look. So today, like I mentioned, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And in this palette, I am going to be using this blue shade here, this purple shade here, and this hot pink shade right here. Sorry, excuse my mirror. I think I stepped on it or whatnot. I don't use it anyways. But I'm going to be using those three shades to go into my crease. And then I'm going to be picking up this dark blue shade here and putting that on the outer corner of my eyelid. So let's just get into this look. So starting off with the light blue shade, I'm placing that one first into my crease. I'm just packing it in there. Y'all, I seriously forgot how freaking pigmented BH Cosmetic shadows were. This is crazy. And y'all, I literally just went into this palette like 2 times. Just 2 times to get this pigment. That's crazy. That's crazy. And now going into the purple shade, I'm going to pack that on the outer part of our crease. We're gonna meet that with the blue shade. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, child. Okay, and now I'm going to dip into the hot pink shade, and I'm taking it on like this really, really small fluffy brush. This is the M562 brush, and I'm just placing that above the purple shade. It's like you ain't even gotta try to blend these shades. Like, they just blend. Period. Like, I'm barely doing anything to blend these. That's crazy. I forgot how freaking pigmented this palette was. Look, I need to pull this out more often. Now I'm taking that dark blue shade that I showed you guys and placing that on the outer part of our eye. And I did mix it a little bit with black just to make it a bit deeper, because it's a dark blue. Like, I like the blue, but it wasn't as dark as I wanted it to be. So I took just a little bit of black And as for my brow bone highlight, all I did was took this Big Pan shade right here. Next to the black is the... It has like duochrome of pink in it, like reflexive pink. It's not a duochrome, but it has like reflexive pink in it. And I just took that as my brow bone highlight because I had the pink up there. So some slight, nothing too serious, nothing too show-offy. And just going back in. What's up? You know what's up. And now we finna cut this crease. Y'all know the deal with that. It's the Milani Conceal and Perfect in Warm Beige. Your girl finna go off camera, cut this crease, and I'll be right back. We finna tear it up. We finna tear it up. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. Are they even? Huh? Yeah? Okay. I actually think they're even today. Wait, no. No, this one look kind of bigger than this one. Oh well. Anyways, continuing on. On my brush. Continuing on. More BH Cosmetics. I'm dipping into my Club Tropicana palette, and I'm taking this lime green shade right here. And we're gonna place that sucker all over our lid, alright? All over. And y'all, to get this green a little bit more pop-a-tin, what I'm going to do is take my NYX glitter primer and I'm going to apply that on top of the shimmer shade and then apply some more of the shimmer shade. And that just helps it pop a little bit more. That's what I like to do with my shimmers because I'm extra. But you ain't got to do it. I'm just extra. So I'm going to do it. And now I'm just blending this lime green into that dark blue shade. So going back and forth between the two colors. That's it for the upper lid. What I'm gonna do is, and look, I ain't do my face today because I thought I was gonna have some fallout. Like I was just going in on BH Cosmetics, like they gonna have some fallout, like. But no, I ain't had no fallout. So what I'm gonna do is go off camera, finish my face up, then we'll come back and finish this lower lash line with you guys. And that's it, y'all. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back, and real quickly, let's finish off this eye together. So basically all I did was take my NYX Jumbo pencil in the shade Milk, and I just ran that along my waterline. Or not my waterline, my lash line. I left my waterline blank. Going into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm taking this orange shade mixed in with this yellow shade right here. And that is going on top of that white. Okay guys, so basically all I did for my inner tear duct area was I went into my Douce palette by Juvia's Place, and I took this shade right here, which is called Tart, and I just took it on this pencil brush by Morphe, the M431 brush, and I just popped that on my inner tear duct. Put some more. And that is basically everything that I did for this look, you guys. I am obsessed with this look. I'm so shocked that I forgot how well the BH Cosmetic products work. These are so freaking pigmented. Like, it's crazy. I forgot, and I'm definitely gonna be using these a lot more. Girl, I was sleeping on them. I'm sorry, VH. I was sleeping on y'all. And then I had the nerve to think they were gonna fall out, and they didn't even fall out. So it's just perfect, just perfect. So I will be using them again soon. Y'all gonna get tired of me in these colorful looks. I'm trying to tell y'all, but it's gonna be all right. I promise. But anyways, moving on to the rest of the face. What I use for the highlighter is the same shade we just popped into our inner tear ducts, which was Tarte out of the Douce palette from Juvia's Place. My eyelashes are Ardell Demi Wispies. I'm never, that just ain't gonna change. My liquid liner is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the color black, of course. What else? My lips, I use the NYX Lingerie in the shade Corset. And well, first I put on this Stay Glossy by Rimmel London because I wanted it to be a gloss instead of a matte. So that's a little trick. Put on some gloss first and then put the liquid lipstick on top if you want it to be like a tinted gloss or a colored gloss. That's a little trick. So I went in first with this Halo There lip gloss by Rimmel London, and then on top of that the NYX Lingerie in Corset. And that is everything, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I surely did enjoy making it for you all. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And if you are new to the fan band, hey, how you doing? My name is Tony. Nice to meet you guys, and I will see you in the next. I love y'all. Stay blessed.